All right, it's time to do our weekly and monthly recap. So this last month in January 26th to 30th, we made $672 off 4 trades selling call options. And then for the month, we made $2,255. Again, this month we started, like every month, we are starting with $50,000 now. In the old days, we were doing 40K, but it's 50K, and we are doing naked call options. Of course, I just want you to take away whatever you want from these videos, and the point is not selling naked call options or cover calls. You pick whatever is more suitable for you. So yeah, we can go over the spreadsheet now. For the first week, we made we lost $50, and we opened with applied materials that got a little bit too hot for us, and Intel also. We made money off Intel, and then we tried again, and that put us in the red yank. Then the following week, it was Carvana, Roblox, Carvana again, and Roblox. So back and forth, back and forth. It was a good week. I guess these were just like higher implied volatility stocks, and they were kind of like leveled out. And so we're playing the sideways up and down movement, and we were able to rake in $1,093. Then the third week, it was a little bit more of a quiet week, and it was Netflix on the earnings here, and we sold 5 contracts and were able to scoop up $350. And then we went back to Carvana to find one more trade, and again, yeah, Carvana keeps giving to us because we rolled in another 190 to make 540 for that week. And then in the last week, we started out with Palantir, made a quick buck off it on the first day. Next day, we tried for Texas Instruments. The sleepy chip giant finally had its day, went into the money despite our delta being significant from where it was before earnings, and after earnings it just went. I think it was like close to the money or something like that. It's like about 215ish was our strike price, and yeah, so basically sold out so we can move on to something else. When we went for Tesla, and Tesla reported earnings, and yeah, it was hard for them to keep their stock up. They're talking about AI and stuff like that, and not about their cars anymore. And so, yeah, easy money for us on that one's at 361. And then Apple had like a insane quarter with their iPhone, like blowing past expectations with 85 billion and change in sales for just the iPhone alone. But of course, where it was, the price of the stock, it failed to go up any further, and so we closed it out for 5 cents. We're hoping for another play, and before the end of Friday, and Micron was the target, but at the time Micron was declining from its intraday high, and so it never bounced back like I wanted to. I would have sold the contract at 340 something, but it kept going down, and so we weren't able to do that. So the week was just $672, and again, for the month of January, 2026, we're off to positive start with $2,255, which equates to 4.51%. You look at the 50K that we had for budget, and we try not to fall back on margin, so I don't sell a lot of naked call options where if you get assignment that we would be reliant on margin, and thus we're 9 for 12 profitable trades. So yeah, last year we started in February, and we started with 40K, and then at the back end of the year we went to 50K due to the appreciations of stocks, that we needed the extra money to be able to place certain stocks, or otherwise they are kind of priced out for us for one contract. And we made almost 10K, and this year, January, we start off with 22.55. Okay, yeah, so we're near the beginning of earnings season, and this upcoming week, there's definitely a lot more companies reporting that were of interest. First of all, we got Palantir on Monday. We'll see what they say. I'm not sure if I want to sell a contract given how the stock is a little depressed in the recent week of trading. Then, I guess the heartbeat of tech stocks these days is, a lot of stocks are not going anywhere despite having a good quarter. Just because I guess there's AI fear. But at the same time, AI fear is also punishing other stocks like software stocks. I think ServiceNow is like one, and also Salesforce, where people are fearful that AI is going to impact their business because the end user is going to be using more AI, and so it would be less reliant on these cloud services from these companies. So yeah, I guess it's just a lot of fear left and right, and people don't know what to do. For us, let's just keep making money selling call options. Okay. All right. That's it for the month of January. Tune in next time, and don't forget me a like if you do. And we'll see you next episode.